Live demo tactics, open loops, and retention boosters. You have built your webinar, you are showing up live, but you're noticing something frustrating. People drop off halfway through, they are quiet in the chat. You make your offer, and no one takes action. Here is the truth, it's not because your content is bad, it's because your delivery is flat, passive, predictable. But here is the opportunity. You can use simple, proven tactics like live demos, open loops, and retention triggers to keep people engaged from minute 1 all the way to your CTA. These small tweaks can double your show up rate, boost sales, and turn your webinar into real conversion engines. And remember, don't forget to check the resources section where you will find everything you need. Let's break this into 3 conversion boosters you can start using immediately. No extra tech required. Step 1 is live demo is an instant trust. Instead of just explaining, show them. Share a screen, walk through your platform, example your high level dashboard, offer setup or automation. Send a live text or email from inside the system. Use a name from the chat in your example. For example, let's pretend we are sending this to Alex who just joined us from Texas. Why it works? It proves it's real. It creates I want that energy. It makes your offer tangible. Even a 2-minute demo can dramatically increase conversions. Open loops, step 2, is equal to keep them watching. Don't give away everything at once. Create curiosity. Use phrases like, in just a few minutes, I'll show you the exact email that gets 70% reply rate. Stick around, at the end, I'll give you the exact funnel I used to land my first 20 clients. There's one trick I use in my onboarding that almost guarantees clients stay for 3+ months. I'll show it before we wrap. Now, these open loops keep attention high and increase retention through the pitch. Step 3. Retention boosters that work. Use these strategies mid-webinar or to re-engage the viewers, like a live poll. Ask a this or that question in the chat. Name drop. Mention attendees by name to make them feel seen. And a surprise drop. Drop a bonus mid-webinar just for those still here. Gamified giveaway. Offer a template or swipe file to those who DM or comment after the session. Think of your webinar like a performance and not a lecture. People need constant mini interactions to stay connected and excited. So instead of doing 60 minutes of talking at them, break it up. Inject moments that pulls them in. Keep them watching and get them nodding all the way to your offer. The best webinars are not information dumps. They are guided experiences filled with real demos, real interaction, and curiosity that keeps people hooked. So here is your action plan. Download the Retention Booster Playbook from the resources along with other important tools. You're not just teaching anymore, you are performing. And when you combine that with a great offer and a simple system, the results will speak for themselves. So let's boost your retention and your revenue.